Hi, and welcome to the MKH Next Gen portal. Building your future on a foundation of success. In today's Getting Started with MKH Next Gen tutorial, we'll explore how Collaborator user can check tasks, highlights, markups, and more on plan sheets as created by inspectors. This feature helps collaborators stay informed about where inspections have taken place or are planned for the future. If you missed our previous tutorial on the basics of using the MKH NxT Gen portal as a collaborator, please refer to the link on your screen and in the video description. Be sure to watch that first for a comprehensive understanding before proceeding. To begin, remember that you must be granted collaborator access in the MKH Next Gen application. If you don't have access yet, please contact your admin to request it. Let's log into the application and navigate to your assigned project. Click the Facility tab just below Dashboard on the left menu, then select your facility and the relevant project. You'll now arrive at the dedicated dashboard for your selected project. Next, head to the Sheets tab. It's the fourth tab from the top. Here, you'll see a list of plan sheets, complete with sheet numbers, titles, revision history, and tags for easy identification. Inspectors manage these sheets, so collaborator users have limited access. Let's open one of the sheets to see what collaborators can do. This is the drawing board, where markups, annotations, and tasks can be added to the plans. We can notice several existing markups on this sheet already. While most are simply indicators, task markups are especially important. There's already a task markup here. Let's take a closer look. On the left side of the drawing board, select the hand tool. This allows you to point to and select any drawing or markup on the plan sheet. Click the hand tool, then select the task markup. A panel will open on the right, displaying the task details, including a snapshot of where the marker is placed and information entered by the task creator. Since this task was created by an inspector, you can view its details and add your comments as a collaborator. You can also draw your own markups for personal reference, but these won't be published or visible to other users. All tasks on the project can also be viewed under the Tasks tab. If you wish to consolidate tasks into a report, you can generate and send a task log via email. To do this, select the desired tasks using the checkboxes, then click the Generate Task Log button at the top. From here, you can download the report or send it to specified email addresses. Let's download a sample task log report to see how it looks. Similarly, you can generate a detailed report using the Generate Report button at the top. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials. To stay updated with new tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to the MKH Next Gen YouTube channel.